Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is simple harmonic motion. In physics and mechanics, simple harmonic motion is a special type of periodic motion. The restoring force on the moving object is directly proportional to the displacement x and is always directed towards the mean or equilibrium position. This elastic restoring force is given by Hooke's law. An object oscillates sinusoidally, as you can see here, about an equilibrium point, and a graph of position against time is like a sine wave, as can be seen here. These sinusoidal oscillations have a constant amplitude and a constant frequency. Now, one of the examples of a simple harmonic motion is that of a mass attached to a spring, as we will discuss here. The vibrations of a mass attached to a spring is in fact a specific example of a simple harmonic motion. At extreme position, force is greatest, and from Newton's second law of motion, we know that force is proportional to acceleration. So at extreme position, acceleration is greatest as well and is always directed towards the mean position or equilibrium position. At mean or equilibrium position, acceleration is 0 and velocity has maximum value. Now the question is why we call these motions as harmonic. This is because musical instruments make such vibrations that cause corresponding sound waves in air. The vibrating parts of a musical instrument oscillates in sets of superimposed simple harmonic motions. Their frequencies are multiple of a fundamental frequency. In fact, harmonic frequencies are always a multiple of the fundamental, as you have studied earlier. Now, as I have stated that in case of simple harmonic motion, the springs obey Hooke's law, which is that force is proportional to displacement. Now, in order to change proportionality sign into equality sign, we multiply right hand side by a constant quantity, which is k in this case. K is called Hooke's constant or spring constant. So F is equal to minus kx. This negative sign indicates that acceleration is in the direction of force and is always directed towards the mean position. We can also see this from the arrows. You can see arrows indicate the direction of force and displacement and acceleration as well. So it is very much clear that force and acceleration are always directed towards the mean position. Now we will look at some of the other examples of simple harmonic motion. One of the example is that of vibrating strings of a musical instrument. Then motion of a simple pendulum is also simple harmonic. Molecules of the air vibrate with simple harmonic motion when single tone or pure sound waves travel through it. Moreover, motion of electrons in the wire when an alternating current flows through it is simple harmonic. Also, a small alternating electric current in a radio or TV aerial when it is tuned to a signal is in the form of electrons moving with simple harmonic motion. And also atoms that make up molecule vibrate with simple harmonic motion. Molecules of hydrogen or a solid crystal are a few examples of it. The simple harmonic motion is defined in terms of the acceleration and displacement of an oscillator. Swinging pendulum has positive displacement and negative velocity. The restoring force that acts to return the mass to its equilibrium position is always proportional to displacement of the mass from its mean position and is directed towards that point. This we have already studied in case of when mass was attached to a spring, when we studied this mass attached to a spring. Now, oscillations we observe around us do not go on forever. If damping is present, they die out, either gradually or rapidly. Now, oscillations of a swing is an example of it. Due to air friction, oscillations decrease and swing ultimately comes to rest. The amplitude of damped oscillations decreases or decays exponentially with time, as you can see here. Now, this is just repetition of the Hooke's law that I have already stated and explained. You can see that force is proportional to displacement, and k is the Hooke's constant. Negative sign indicates that force is always directed towards the mean position. And if the displacement is doubled, the force is also doubled. Now, two important terms that we come across in simple harmonic motion. One is amplitude and the other one is time period. Amplitude is the maximum displacement from mean position, and time period is time taken to complete one vibration. These two terms and so many others we have already studied in wave mechanics.